technically know how to do this, so yeah.
You start the fire, I'm trying to find what you like.
Hello you guys, I hope you guys are doing great. It is a beautiful day in Philadelphia. I'm just so happy that winter is coming to an end. I hope it's beautiful wherever you are. Comment down below what the weather is wherever you are in the world, and let's get straight into this video. So today's video is all about my bedding. So if you have watched a few of my videos in the past, my clean with me's, my makeover videos, you guys have seen my bed a lot. You've seen the bedding that I've been using. I had mentioned that I got this bedding when I was a junior in college, and that's been a while. I'm almost 2 years out of college now, so it's definitely time for me to spruce up my bed, you know, have more adult bedding and like just a nicer, more luxurious bed. That's the goal for today. And so yeah, let's get straight into the video. If this is your first time on Emem's home, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell to know when I post a new video, and let's get straight into this bedding makeover basically. Alright you guys know that I absolutely love Pinterest. I'm a big Pinterest fan. I am actually starting to post more on Pinterest, so if you don't follow me on Pinterest, I'm also at Emem's home on there. And you guys know I always go there to get ideas, just some inspiration on like what I would like to see in my apartment and like my home. So of course I looked up some photos of like bedding and just like the style that I wanted, and here are some of the photos that I got from Pinterest that kind of where my inspiration and where I was just getting some ideas from. I am not changing my mattress or my pillows, those are still the same. This is all about styling. It's not really about, you know, changing up comfort, even though I really need new pillows, you guys. If you guys have any recommendations for really good pillows for neck and side sleepers, please let me know. I think that's very important. If you're ever looking for inspiration, go on Pinterest. There's so many ideas. I also watch my videos because I hope you guys can get some ideas and inspiration from my videos as well. But yeah, let's get straight into what I bought and like the products, and you know, just styling the bed, and have an idea in my head, guys. And I am so excited to finally like make it happen because it's been a long time coming. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is the new sheet set that I got. I just got it from Amazon. It wasn't anything super expensive. I didn't really want to spend so much money on my sheet set. I spent way more money on my duvet and duvet cover. So yeah, this is the sheet set that I got. I'm gonna take them out right now and throw them into the washing machine. Make sure to always do that before you put anything on your bed. Definitely want to wash everything first. Remember that I'll have everything that I use in this whole bed styling video linked in the description box if you guys want to check it out. And yeah, let's get this into the washing machine. I just love white sheets, you guys. Aren't they just so beautiful? Just clean white sheets. Oh my gosh, I've been using the same sheets for so many years now. I'm just like, wow, these look so clean and white. Okay, I got a new duvet, right? And so for my duvet cover or like comforter, these were actually birthday gifts from my siblings last year, December. I'm very grateful to them. They asked me what I want, and I was like, I want a new duvet and duvet cover. I know, really weird thing to ask for your birthday, but it's functional and something I actually really wanted. Anyway, so they got me a really nice brand. They got me Brooklyn. This is not sponsored or anything, but like they got me a duvet cover and the actual comforter from Brooklyn. And so this is the duvet cover that I'm going to be using. I know I could have also got my sheet sets from Brooklyn, but then I was reading the comments and I just saw a bunch of honestly negative comments about that, and I was like, I don't want to spend $100 and something on a sheet set if I'm going to have problems with it. So I just said to get, I feel like sheets, well, maybe when I'm older I'll feel like I need luxurious sheet sets, but right now I just feel like sheets off of Amazon work for me. And I just feel like the duvet and the duvet cover are probably the most important things because that's what you really see. This is quite expensive, so I hope there is a difference in quality. Oh, I feel that. Yeah, it feels like hotel sheets. And it just feels more like, I don't know if maybe like more like cotton. It just feels more, let's just say like that. It feels more sophisticated. The sheet set I got from Amazon is like maybe like $30, I think. And so you can see it's more like microfiber, I guess, like super loose material, which I like because I think it's breathable, and I sweat, I sleep hot. So they just look like they're gonna really hug you at night. Anyways, wow, you guys, it's so pretty. Okay, let's put this in the washer. Okay, so this is what my bed looks like right now. This is the before. This is before I've done anything to it. This is what it looks like right now. This is what I sleep on every single day. But yeah, so taking what the before looks like, and let's get into changing this up. while all the sheets and duvet cover and all that stuff are in the washer, I'm going to start with all the other elements of this bed that I'm putting together. And the first thing is definitely the throw pillows. I need to put them into their covers. So these throw pillows, I got them from Amazon. I got both the covers and the throw pillows from Amazon. Yes, I got a black throw pillow. I told my sister and she was like, why are they black? And I'm like, you'll see when it all comes together. I got these throw pillows in size 16 by 16, but because I wanted them to be fluffy and and have body, I ended up buying the inserts in size 18 by 18 so that they can fit snug into the Alright, so I got them in size 18 and 18 so they can fit snug into the cover, because a lot of these companies, especially on Amazon, when they sell these inserts, they're not super fluffy enough for their actual size. So I was reading through the comments or the reviews for the inserts and somebody was like, buy a size up, and I was like, okay, let me try it out. And yeah, I tried one of the pillows. Here's what it looks like. It fit perfectly. I honestly thought it wasn't gonna fit because look at the size of this thing. Fortunately, they only sell these stuff in even pairs, so I had to buy basically 4 of these inserts on 4 of the covers, but I only needed 3, but that's fine. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the last one. Maybe I'll use it in my living room, who knows, but I'm gonna put in 2 more of these now. Honestly, I'm so shocked for the quality of these because I got them from Amazon, you guys, and they feel really good. I'll just show you that you can do, you can mix expensive things with like more, price-friendly things. I do have some items that are quite expensive, but of course I was able to mix and match, buy the expensive things that I felt like were worth it, and then buy like more cheaper and more price-friendly things that I didn't think needed to be super expensive. And it's actually so soft. It's velvety. It feels really good. It's very like, I don't know how to explain it. So I'm gonna stuff it right now and let's see. These pillows have the invisible zip, so it's really nice because it just blends into the pillow. You can't really see the zip, which I love, but they are a little bit hard to zip up, so you kind of have to like hold them together, especially if you're getting a bigger size for the insert. You have to hold them together and really like try your best to zip it up, but it's not that bad. Yeah, so this is how they come in the box. These are the inserts. They come all compressed, and of course, like once you open it up, they're gonna like puff up. All right, and just like that, it starts to puff up. So this is the last one that I need. I have my 3 black throw pillows. They look really good. I'm very excited to use them. Okay, so it's actually the next day. So I put these in the washer dryer. Honestly, it was kind of late. Maybe it was like 5 p.m. So by the time they were done drying, it was already too dark for me to finish filming this video. All the stuff are all washed, dried, and folded. I just folded them up yesterday so they don't get too wrinkly. Now, for the first step is to put all my new bedding on my bed. I'm gonna of course start with all the sheets and pillows, and then I'll get into the duvet and the duvet cover. So let's put some sheets on my bed. Had like a real duvet. I feel like I always have comforters. Anyways, I feel like they're basically the same thing, but siblings got me the Brooklinen comforter. It's just a classic one, I think. All season, yes, comforter. And then this is the duvet cover that I put in the washer yesterday. So this is soft, but honestly feels very much like my Wayfair comforter. I feel like it's really nice and soft, but it's not fluffy. Like I would say it's like heavily fluffed, which is fine because it's almost summer. I'm not gonna be sweating in my sleep. I don't technically know how to do this, so yeah. I'm just coaching myself and talking to myself, trying to figure this out. But okay, so I laid the duvet cover over the duvet. I'm just gonna call it the duvet. And now I have the little latch thing and the ropes. So, but should it be the other way then? All right, first tie. Let's hope that this goes the way it's meant to go. It's so funny that I wanted to do this, but I have no idea how to do it. I feel like this is like a funny thing, and like you guys are probably gonna laugh at me in the comments and like see how much I'm struggling. All right, so that's the side. Hopefully I did the right thing and it's all situated where it's meant to be. Okay, so everything is looking good so far. I know you guys are probably like, this is just all white like before. I know, of course I'm gonna stick with mostly white. Like, you guys know my aesthetic. I love a white bed, I love white bedding. But of course I'm gonna add some color. You guys already saw the black pillows that I have. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the pillowcases on, have my regular pillows on there, and then start to add the more decorative stuff. So let's do that. My regular pillows are on there. I'm gonna put in a disclaimer. I actually got the wrong size sheets, like sheet set in general. I'm just gonna report myself. I don't know how I did it, but I ended up buying a king size. So the pillowcases are way bigger than my pillows. And I've already washed it. I'm just like, I just don't have the energy to return it right now. So there's like a little disclaimer in case it looks a little off. So the pillowcases are bigger than the pillows. Yeah, let's move on to the decorative stuff now. Okay, so like I said before, I know black is kind of like a what? Black? I always say like my colors are white, this natural brown wood, and black. So as you can see, my lamp is black. I have like a few black accents, like my side table is black at the bottom. Yeah, right there, it's black. I'm honestly more of like a simple bed person. Like, I don't like too much going on in my bed. I don't like colors in my bed. I feel like white and black as a base really just worked for me. Now I'm going to add some color and some pizzazz, you know, some pizzazz. This is from a brand called Sunday Citizen. I bought all of this myself, none of this is sponsored. And have this beautiful pillow. I'm gonna cut into it right now. I kept looking. I literally saw this on their website like a while ago and I was like, this is expensive. And then I kept going back to it. And you know, sometimes when you just keep going back to something, you're just like, okay, you should probably get it, because I just kept going back to it because I was obsessed with the color. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this color. This pillow is memory foam, so I think it just needs a few days or a few hours, some hours or long hours to fully fluff up. So I'm just going to not put it on the bed yet. Hopefully this one doesn't disappoint me. But I got the throw blanket from the same company because I really wanted to match the color, the sienna color, and it's in this beautiful print. This was called the Tulum blankets. Everything is linked to the description box, like I said before. I'm not gonna hype them up yet until this pillow does what it's meant to do. You guys, look at this print. I was obsessed. I was literally obsessed when I saw it. My gosh, like, do you see this? This is a statement blanket. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed. We're halfway, or like we're 80% there. I feel like this pillow is 20%. And also I need to really figure out how I want to style the blankets because I'm very not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here today and then we'll see the final touches tomorrow morning. Hey guys, so it is a few days later because do any of my home decor projects take a day? No! I was waiting for this pillow to finally fluff up. Finally, as you can see, it has body. Remember what it looked like when it was flat? I think I'm gonna do it side by side. Do you guys remember what it looked like when I first took it out of the package? I was so scared, but basically it is memory foam, and so memory foam takes a few days to like fluff up, just like a mattress and stuff like that. They always say like leave it for 24 to 72 hours. In the future, I will know to like open up the package days before I try to film. So there was actually another item. I showed you guys my duvet, I showed you guys the pillows, but there was one extra item that I didn't show because I wasn't sure if I liked it. It was a quilt that I bought from Etsy. Let me show you what it looks like. I got this beautiful white quilt with like black threading through it from Etsy. And honestly, like, it disappointed me when I first got it because number one, I was like, this is kind of flimsy. I feel like these thread things are gonna pull out, but I feel like that's what a quilt is basically, because it's handmade. It actually shipped from India. I know. One of the things that really annoyed me though was that the frills at the end are a different color from the actual quilt, and that's one thing I really didn't like. I was like, why is this like a weird cream color? Then like I just did not like the contrast. But then while I was taking my few days off of this video, I tried it out and it actually looks really good. It's huge though. It's like massive and it's quite heavy, but I really wanted a quilt because I feel like a quilt is very much boho, and as you guys know, like, my decor style is like modern boho style. It doesn't have a lot of colors, but it has like the elements of what like boho decor usually has. Like, I know a lot of like colorful quilts and stuff like that, but I went for more of like a white quilt with these black threads because I wanted to tie in the black. That's why when I saw it, I was like, I need to have this because it's going to tie in the black elements on this bed. Let's put this in. It's huge. So I have first like the bigger fold. I'm gonna do the other side. Now I'm gonna fold it back like this. Now that I have my double fold, I'm actually going to put this under my duvet flap. And then I just straighten this out, make sure it fits well. And so here is what it looks like with the frills at the bottom. I actually don't really mind it. I feel like it's not very obvious and it's not really taken away from the beauty of the quilt. So yeah, that's actually this is reason why I wanted to buy it, because I really like the frills as well. This is very boho chic style. Okay, so another thing that I noticed I wanted to do over the last few days was to change the way I have my pillows organized. This way, horizontally, the way that you sleep on it. And so now when I place the black pillows in front of it, it's going to be nicely placed and basically have this like this background that's not slanted. It's like straight up to like lie against, if that makes sense. Now that we have all of this in, I'm going to add the pillows, add the throw blanket, just, you know, all the last tiny details, and we'll have a bed finally styled. So let's do that. Okay, you guys, that is my final bed. I absolutely adore and love how it came out. But yeah, if you guys want to see some more photos or like some reels of the whole process, make sure to head over to my Instagram page at Emem's Home. I'll be posting some extra photos and reels and all, you know, maybe I'll talk about stuff on my stories. Actually, yes, head over to my Instagram page right now, because this morning I will be talking about, you know, all the items and just like taking you guys through everything that I did. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to comment down below if you think I should keep this or not, and what you think about the whole bed styling in general. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much. I'm so excited for the community that we're building here, and I can't wait to post my next video, which will be a clean with me. And I'll see you guys then. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Bye.